problem number 6. So here we are having an IP address 192.123.23.1. So this is the IP address given to us. So we have to find what is a class, subnet mask, first host ID, last host ID, broadcast IP address, and number of usable host. So if you see this, okay, 192. So 192 belongs to class C. So it is a class C IP address. Then subnet mask for a class C IP address. So the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So this is the subnet mask for a class C IP address. Now we have to find the network ID. Okay, so network ID we have to find here. So how to find the network ID means, so you can keep the network port as it is without any changes, but the host port you can make 0. So in that case 192.123.23.0. So this is going to be your network ID. So first host ID. So to calculate the first host ID, make all the bits, okay, all the bits in the last octet. Okay, that means you have to make everything 0 except the last bit. So in that case 192.123. So 23 dot. So here this is the host port 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our host port. So we are going to make this, okay, 1. The remaining thing is going to be 0. So if you convert this into decimal, so the first host ID is going to be 192.123.23.1. So this is going to be your first host ID. So last host ID, so you can make everything 1 here except the last bit 0. So if you make like that, it is going to be 254. Now the last host ID 192.123. So 23. So here we have 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, totally 8 bits available. So make everything 1 here except the last bit 0. So if you find the value of this, if you convert this into decimal, so 192.123.23.254. So this is going to be your last host ID. Then broadcast IP address. So the broadcast IP address, so you can just make this as 1. The entire network, entire host portion should be 1. So in that case, this will become 255. So 192.123.23.255. So this is going to be your broadcast IP address. Then number of usable host, 2 to the power of the number of bits available in the host port. So we have only one octet here, so it is 8 bits. Okay, 8 bits minus 2. So this minus 2, so 1 we have to give it for the network ID. Okay, 1 we have to give it for the network ID, and the another one we are going to give it for the broadcast IP address. So these two things we are going to reduce from here. So now this is equal to 256. Okay, 256 minus 2. So this is equal to 254. So 254 host you can have. So let us check. Now this is the network. Okay, I am having a local area network. So here I am going to say this is 192.123.23.0 network. Okay, so this is my network. So in this network, what is your first host? Okay, you can have the first host is 192.123.23.1. So this is going to be your first host. So the last host, because you can have only 254 computers here in this network. In a class C network, okay, you can have only 254 hosts. So this is going to be your first host. Then your last host is given here. So 192.123.23.254. So this is going to be your last host IP address. So what does it mean? So here in this network, this is the network. So in this network, you can have 254 hosts you can connect. So the first one, it is going to be this. Second one, the last host is 254. So thank you very much. Keep watching.